Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to get the last day of previous month. Okay, for a given date. Previous month. Okay, what I have here is the set of dates. I want the last day of the previous month for 26 July 2015. The previous month is June, and I want the last date, which is 30th of June. Okay, that's my objective. For that I am going to use the end of month function, EOMONTH. Okay, EOMONTH function has two arguments. One is the date and other is the months. Okay, so if you pass the date, it will go and find it for that particular month's end of month when the month's part is 0. Okay, if you pass 0, it will do the end of month for this month, the current month, the dates month. In this case is July. Okay, if you pass -1, it will go for the previous month. Okay, if you pass 1, it will go for the next month. So it is very straightforward. The date -1, so it will minus of 1 month and find the end of month of that month. So if it minus of 1 is the July become June. So end of month of June is nothing but 30th of June. Okay, that's how it is working. Okay, I will explain to you one more time. EOMONTH of the given date, which is the 21st August. You minus of 1 to go to the previous month, and end of month will bring the end of month of the previous month, 31st of July, and so on for all the. See here, 2nd of February is 31st of Jan to 12th of 2012. Probably we will make this one as January. What happens here is the 31st of December. End of month of previous month is previous year's end of month, which is 31st of December. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And these functions, EOMONTH is very useful in calculating last day of previous month or first day of previous month, and so on. So it is better to work on these examples. Why do we work on these examples? Because it is very useful for our calculations and using formulas to find the first day or the last day of any month. Okay, and God bless you.